Welcome back to BikeReview Hub, your go-to spot for in-depth two-wheeled reviews. Today, we're diving into the brand new 2025 BMW R1200 GS, the latest evolution of one of the most iconic adventure bikes ever made. Stick around as we break down what's new, what's improved, and why this bike is still leading the pack. Design and styling. BMW has refined the R1200 GS's rugged look for 2025 without losing its adventure-ready DNA. The new bodywork is sleeker, the LED headlight is now adaptive across all trims, and the bike features an aggressive yet balanced stance. The tank shrouds are reshaped for better airflow and comfort, while the updated color options add a fresh, modern appeal. Engine and performance. Under the hood, or rather, under the tank, we still have the signature 1,170 cubic centimeters air liquid-cooled boxer engine, but it's been retuned for smoother mid-range torque and better fuel efficiency. You're looking at around 125 horsepower and 105 pound-foot of torque, delivering that classic GS grunt with even more refinement. The throttle response is crisp, and thanks to the upgraded ride-by-wire system, the bike feels more intuitive than ever. Ride modes and technology. The 2025 GS comes loaded with tech. Standard ride modes include rain, road, and enduro, but now there's a dynamic pro mode for those who really want to push it. The 6.5-inch TFT display has improved brightness and contrast, making it super easy to read even in direct sunlight. BMW's connectivity system remains top tier, and the new hill start assist and cornering ABS add an extra layer of safety and convenience. Chassis and suspension. One of the biggest updates is the new semi-active dynamic ESA EVO suspension, which adapts in real time to road conditions and riding style. Whether you're hitting rough trails or cruising highways, the GS adjusts to keep things smooth and stable. The weight distribution has also improved slightly, making low-speed handling a bit easier for shorter riders. Comfort and touring feature. This bike is made for the long haul. The seat has been redesigned with better padding, and the adjustable windshield now offers more range and better wind deflection. Heated grips and seats are available, as well as integrated luggage options, making this a true globetrotter out of the box. Final thoughts. 330. The 2025 BMW R1200 GS isn't a radical redesign, but it doesn't need to be. It's a smart, solid evolution of a legend. For adventure riders, long-distance tourers, or anyone who wants a machine that can handle just about anything, this bike continues to set the standard. That's it for today's review on BikeReview Hub. If you liked the video, hit that thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest, hands-on reviews. Got questions or want to share your experience with the GS? Drop a comment below. Until next time, ride safe and stay curious.